She was a nice lady and secretary. Anne. Anne, okay. And now we can listen our interview. Okay, Alex.
But few things, but not that much.
Okay.
The culture of maybe some music. There are a few things about the fact that we want to go in the European Union, and the main difficulty is just to achieve it.
Thank you.
What do you know about Spain?
About Spain?
Yeah.
Much more. Much more like football and music too, and some kind of traditions,
What kind of traditions do you
parties, and football too, and corrida.
The dog? Bull?
Sorry?
With the bull?
Yeah. And but much more about football because
Yeah.
but that's more about Barcelona. Movies, but it's his parts, movies. And what?
Okay, what do you know about the Estonia or Estonia?
Very few things, but very few things.
Have you been there?
About England, Spain, France, but never.
You are welcome.
Oh, thank you very much.
What do you know about Germany?
About Germany. Football, beers, and yeah, politics, some kind of stuff like this. Project with France and the of the European Union. Cars.
Now we have one for you. And us as a partner. So do you know what is our project about? Okay, and your question you can ask.
Do you know the name of the Erasmus project?
Ruth,
What is your favorite book? My favorite book is a book about Dalai Lama. It's
Which sport is more cultural in France?
and handball,
I have
like in Germany.
about ice hockey too.
Not that much. Not in France.
So that's all.
okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay.
But Turkey.
Yes. Okay.
Well done.